Ecclesiasticus chapter 6 verses 14 to 17, and it reads, "A faithful friend is a strong defense, and he that has found such one has found a treasure. Nothing countervails a faithful friend, and his excellency is invaluable. A faithful friend is the medicine of life, and they that fear Yahuwah shall find him. Whoso fears Yahuwah shall direct his friendship aright, for as he is, so shall his neighbor be also." So the book of Ecclesiasticus is basically one of the books of the Apocrypha, and these books were removed from the Bible. And I'll go ahead and add my 2 cents. A friend in need is definitely a friend indeed. When you're blessed with friends that literally forget about their doings just to come and assist you with what has overtaken you, well, not really overtaken, but little downfall, no, that's a treasury you need to treasure. Based on what I've just read from the book of Ecclesiasticus, it plainly stated that it's the Most High who gives you friends that are right for you. That's under one condition though, only if you fear him. Fearing the Most High basically is keeping his commands. As the book of John chapter 14 verse 15 states, "If you love me, keep my commandments." I say that to say this. Fearing the Most High will bring the right people in your life. Friends is not about the amount, but it's the one that will be there. Speaking from my heart, I've never come in contact with a friend who is so reliable. You can call on him for anything. He is one of the kindest we have ever come across, and we pray that the Most High will bless him continually. Hey guys, what's up? I'm out here waiting for the boys to come. So guys, I had a little predicament this morning. After I'm done with my devotion, I usually drop the girls, off to their stop, in the morning for school. So while we were on our way, I heard boogo 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 boogo. So I was like, what is that? Abigail, myself, and Haley was like, what is that? So I was like, no, something wrong, man. I started asking Most High, like, please cover us. So I pulled over. I said, you know what? Let me go and check the wheels. Guys, I had a flat tire. My tire was flat. It seems as if when we pulled out of the driveway, I drove on, something that punctured the tire. To be honest, I've never had that experience. And the Most High is so good. Even though my husband was not around, he provided, one of our friends, he was able to come. Listen to this, guys. He's always out working, always on the go. And like he said, for this morning, some reason, like, he just didn't want to go. Guys, he took the day off. Look at that. I'm still learning. I've never had a punctured tire experience. When you're in a relationship with the Most High, the word of the Most High says that every day we are sheep to the slaughter, and Satan will come in any form whatsoever. And I'm just so grateful. I was not worried about him, really. I was like, devil, you are a liar, and you know that you already lost. So whatever you try, you ain't gonna stop me. So we were able to fix the tire. We didn't get a chance to bring it to the tire shop. So when the bus comes and the boys are picked up, then we're gonna head over to the tire shop to get, the tire fixed. Look at her. She's videoing me back. Yeah. So, alrighty guys. So I am done with picking up the children from the bus stop, and right now we're about to leave out to go to the tire shop. So my dear friend is here. He's gonna drive my car. I'm driving his car. So that's how strong as love is. That's so strong, yes, love is. That's what happens when you have good friends. That's my baby ahead, guys. Wow, look at that. Yeah, guys, here at the tire shop and getting the tire repair. Good morning, guys. Welcome to the following day, and as you can see, we are having snow. Guys, Obi is not home as he has left for work, but the children are here with me today. Because of inclement weather, their school is closed. Good for them. But anyways, guys, we're gonna have some breakfast first, and then we head out. No, we're not gonna head out. We're gonna give you guys a small haul before we head out to enjoy the snow by cleaning it up. By the way, guys, I know some of you are gonna talk about, whoa, that's a big breakfast. Yes, this is a big breakfast. And growing up in Jamaica, this is how we eat. So we have a big breakfast, you know. So we are full throughout the day. We don't have to be going, you know, every second to go and have a snack, you know. Yep, so when we have our breakfast in the morning, then we have dinner. We'll normally snack around the yard, you know, by having fruits and stuff, and then we have dinner. But this is how it is, and I still carry on that because when I have these children, hi, they love their foodie. Yeah, guys, so, you know, we added some broccoli to the side because, you know, you have to eat up your veg. And what I have here is a cup of peppermint tea. We're gonna eat up and see you guys when we're done. It is snowing harder. Wow, guys, look outside. Wow, it is blowing. OMG, look at that. All right, guys, so before I go outside, just want to show you some Crayola items I purchased the other day from Kohl's, because guess what, the children them want them gloves, and I really want to do this before, you know, I give them their gloves. I wanted to do it since the other day, but it did not happen, so let's do this. So guys, this is a winter hat. So guys, this is a winter hat I purchased for a little Josh, you know. Blue is his favorite color, and I really like the blend of green and this color here. It looks like yellow. Look how cute it is. The pom-pom is pretty, and guys, it is stretchy. And you know, in this house, you know, we wear each other's stuff, so the boys can share this hat between Joel and Josh. Look how pretty. Well, Josh not gonna wear it now, you know, we have to wash it first. But as for the gloves, definitely I'm gonna let him wear it, you know. Beautiful winter hat. So this here is a glove. Even decide to mismatch, they do go together. So beautiful, nice and cozy. Oh, look at me stretching out the boys stuff. So whichever of the boys can have this, you know. And here is another one, but this goes with the hat. So this, you know, goes with this hat. This is a flip top glove, you know. They can, you know, either wear it like this, you know, like whenever they're playing in the snow, or, you know, whenever they're trying to reach for something in their book bag, or so while standing, you know, waiting for the bus or so, you know, they can go ahead and even, you know, cover up their fingers with this part just by, you know, releasing the button from the holder. Yeah, it's cute. Look at that, pretty. So this is just a set of bra I purchased for Haley. And let me show you how they look. Pretty colors. You know, underneath there's a little heart pattern. So teal, white, and gray, and they are pretty. So this is a cap I purchased for myself. I also have a pink one. This cap is so pretty. I fell in love with the color, and what I love about it, it can be worn both winter and springtime. So yes guys, I could not do without purchasing this cap. And this is the pink one. I love this one because the color is vibrant and it's also my favorite color. So this is a beanie I purchased for myself. I love the colors. You know, look how stretchy that is. So this is a beautiful beanie. It is nicely made, nice and thick and stretchy. Yeah, so it's beautiful. And this is another pair of gloves. You know, want to keep those little fingers warm. Yeah, in the winter time. Beautiful, ain't it? I love these. They are pretty, and as you can see, it says adult. Last but not least guys, these are two, you know, reversible scarf. I could not resist buying these. I think they are so beautiful and definitely in my favorite colors. Look how pretty this is. So wintry. Such a pretty, ooh, look at that. So you have the solid, you know, color here, which is purple, and then it's here you have the colorful side, which is really beautiful. It's long. Wow, could not resist. And they goes together. They are so pretty. Look at this side here. This is blue. So beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Wow, it's nice. So pretty. Alright. So guys, if you like these items, please let us know by commenting down below. We are so blessed. Another snow day. So we're just gonna clean up. Alright guys, so we're out here. Actually, we're here in the snowfall. We're actually hearing the droplet. They're like ice, really. It's ailing. It's really ailing. Since hubby is not here, I'm gonna have to do it. We're gonna have to do it, you know. So thank goodness it's not a lot, but it is hailing. It is really ailing right now. You can actually pick up chips of ice, you know. Miss Abby is doing it. That's Miss Haley doing her stuff. Come guys, let me do it. Let me do it, mama. Come. She's willing to work. Come on, me. This is not an easy job. Trust me, it is hard. You know what? Huh? Oh yeah. Yeah. Normally, I'm the one behind the camera. So, we're gonna sprinkle some salt, you know, to keep the ice melting. Because we want no one to fall, alright? Oh yeah. Yay. That's how we do it. Not as perfect as our daddy would, but we try. Nice, baby. Look at this snow princess. Hi, snow princess. Look at this snow princess working, guys. Suit outdoor and you're full ready. Hey, Papa. This one. Let's see if she can shoot. Nice try.
I'm gonna try.
Woo! Nice try, Jerry.
Why are you so close? Come back.
I'll be a rubber now. Hey!
Let me.
Go, Jerry! A little bit, not Ellie?
No, I can make it right here.
I wanted this and I wanted
this.
No, sir. What's your turn? Go, Jerry. Good job. Whoa, nice try.
Hilly, dunk it.
Watch. Good, Jerry. Go on, Jerry. Nice try, Mama.
Can I try?
Let Joshy try.
Josh is gonna make it first try.
Oh, nice try, Josh. Let's see Jerry do it. Ooh. Alright, let's see Mommy do it now. Watch this. Alright, my turn. Look at this. Look at this simple guy. Bam.
You're not supposed to shoot with one hand.
Oh no. Alright, Mama. Adios, Abby. Uh-oh, I can do it from here. Let me show you how it's done. One hand. They can't manage me. Let me see you do that. Let me see you do. Go on. Ooh! Go on, Jerry. One more time, baby. Let me see you do it. Whoa! Go on, Jerry.
I did it 2 times.
You're rough, man. Alright, guys, we're back from outside right now. I'm about to go back into my little studies. You know, I started this morning in the book of Hebrew, where I was reading about the fact that the Most High Son, you know, he died so that we can come before him boldly, you know. And not only that, guys, we have to be careful how we, you know, as the children of the Most High, go back wallowing in sin, because this part here is telling me that for if we sin purposely after we have received the knowledge of the truth, there no longer remains a slaughter offering for sins, but some fearsome anticipation of judgment and a fierce fire which is about to consume the opponents. Anyone who has disregarded the Torah of Moshe dies without compassion on the witness of 2 or 3 witnesses. How much worse punishment do you think shall he deserve who has trampled the Ben means son of Yahuwah, or you can say the Most High or the Almighty, underfoot, counted the blood of the covenant by which he was kadosh and set apart, you know, as common, and insulted the ruach of favor. So we have to be careful. Oh, we as born again, you know, go back wallowing up in sin, because this is what we're gonna face if we don't come out from amongst them and be separated. We cannot be serving the Most High and serving the world as well. It cannot work. So we're back from outside, as I've said. I'm gonna continue in my little studies. Here's my thermos with my hot Milo. You know I love Milo. I love Milo. The boys as well, they are enjoying their cup of hot chocolate. Jerry enjoying cup too. Right, Jerry?
Yes, Mommy.
You love your hot chocolate?
So
Enjoy, baby.
The day that I made you